Good morning, everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss your exercise of chapter number 7, and this video is for class 6 computer. So, firstly, as I told you, you have to write down these words to remember in your copy, right? So, all these words to remember, you please write down in your copy, and then afterwards, you start from this assessment A portion, right? So, question number 1, you see what do you mean by blocks? For this, please turn to page number 76. On page number 76, we are having this words to remember last point. Okay, so this last point you have to write down. Blocks are puzzle piece shaped that are used to create code in Scratch. Only this much you have to write down in first question. Okay, so for the second one, what is the color code of looks in Scratch? So you have to write down C, as it is also written in the book. Looks block are color coded purple. Okay, only this much for your second answer. Then moving towards our quiz, the first question you see, what is the name of default sprite of the Scratch? So you have to write down default sprite of the new project is the cat. Okay, after that you have to move these words. So the default sprite of the new project is the cat. This is your first answer. Second one, you see what is the file extension of Scratch 2.0. So firstly, from the question, the file extension of Scratch 2.0 is, then firstly .sp2, secondly .sprite2. Okay, then we are having our assessment A portion, third part, fill in the blanks. So as you can see, we are having looks blocks are related to the color of appearance of sprite. Then second one is events are color coded burnt orange and are used to sense events. Third one is sensing are color coded light blue and are used to detect different factors of a project. Fourth, blocks are puzzle piece shapes that are used to create code in Scratch. Okay, so this is your sequence 4, 3, 1, 2. Moving towards your assessment B portion, 4 MCQs we are having. So first one, see, controls are color coded dash. The answer is gold. Controls are color coded gold and are used to control sprites. Second one is the script area menu consists of three options when right clicked. Third one is sounds are color coded pink or magenta and are used to control sounds and MIDI functions. Fourth one, motion are color coded medium blue and are used to control a sprite's movement. So this is a sequence of your MCQs question. Moving forward to your very short answer question C. How many color coded categories are there in Scratch 2.0? So you have to write down there are 10 color coded categories 10 color coded categories in Scratch 2.0. This you don't have to write down. There are 10 color coded categories in Scratch 2.0. This much you have to write down in first answer. Second one, you see what is the file extension of Scratch 1.x. So you have to write down .sb. It is not p, it is .sb. Okay, comma .sprite. So firstly, the question you have to write down the file extension of Scratch 1.x is, then .sb, comma .sprite. Only this much you have to write down in your second answer. Moving towards your very short answer question, first one you see what do you mean by Scratch programming? The answer is present on page number 68. So on page number 68, if you see this one, so you start from the second line. Scratch is a free visual programming language developed to help simplify the process of creating and programming animations, games, music, interactive stories and more. So till more you have to write down. This is your short answer, short part, first answer. Okay, only this much you have to write down, 3 lines. Moving towards our second question, see, write two uses of forever block. So you have to write down, open page number 76. From there you can write down in a better way. So from page number 75, this portion you see, Uses of forever block are, then first one, keeping a sprite at another location. Second one, a music loop to add sounds to the game. No need to make these pictures, only the text is sufficient. Fine, so only this much you have to write down in your second answer. Now for the third one, you see, write two uses of forever if block. So for this answer, please turn page number 76. See at the top, on page number 76, you are having this one. Uses of forever. Okay, they forgot to write down if. So you write down uses of forever if block are, first one, reducing lag. Second one, Swift script construction. Only this topic you have to write down. Again, no need to make these pictures. Moving towards our long answer question, see the first part. Explain the different types of block in Scratch programming. So this question is quite lengthy. You please turn to page number 72 for now. So on page number 72 at the top, if you see, we are having this heading. Types of blocks are. Then put the heading motion. Start writing from the first line. Motion blocks are color coded medium blue and are used to control a sprite movement. Only this much you have to write down. Then continue your answer with the second part, event. Start writing from the third line. They are color coded burnt orange and are used to sense events which triggers script to run. Till run you have to write down. Then see the third one, looks. आपको heading mention करनी है, right? So third one में looks heading you have to mention. Start writing from the first line till this third line, thought bubble. Okay, now continue your answer to the next page. Fourth heading, control you have to write down. Start writing from the first line. Control blocks are color coded gold and are used to control script. Till script you have to write down. Then fifth one, you see sound. Complete option you have to, complete block you have to write down for sound. For sensing, you have to start from this first line. Sensing blocks are color coded light blue and are used to detect different factors of a project. Till project you write down the sensing. Seventh one is pen. So again heading pen, and then afterwards from pen till scratch program you have to write down. Continue your answer with operators. So heading operator, then start writing from first one till string handling. Okay, continue your answer. Ninth heading is data. Now for data you have to write down from here. There are two types of data blocks, variable block and list block. Variable block are color coded orange and the list block are color coded dark red. These three lines you have to write down. Then the last portion is more block. So from more block you have to write down from this one. Second line, it holds custom procedure for the selected sprite. They are color coded purple. So till purple, and all these things comprises of your first answer. Long question, first answer. Okay. Moving forward to your second one, explain forever and forever if block. So firstly, page number 75 you open. On page number 75, you start writing from this first line. Firstly, put the heading forever, and then forever block is a control block till loop you have to write down this much, and then you start writing from once a block is activated. Okay, so this much you have to write down, and then once a block is activated, everything that I'm underlining you have to write down these things till this one, stop script. Okay, after that you have to write down its shape is a cross between C block and a cap block. Okay, only this much you have to write down in forever, and then afterwards put another heading forever if, and start writing from the first line till this fourth line becomes true again. Okay, so this is your second question long answer. Fine. Now moving towards the third one, give a detailed description of block palette and script area. Page number 70 you open for this answer. See, page number 70 per you see over here, this one. Start writing from the first line. Okay, and then till scripting area, you continue your writing. Okay, then after that, you start writing from this line by selecting the scripts tab in the upper area. Okay, and then till opened, you have to write down. Fine. After that, you write down from here some of the blocks take on certain values by default in their parameters. Okay, this much in block palette. उसके बाद in the next paragraph you have to write down this thing. The script area is an area. यहाँ से you have to start writing till sprite. Okay, and then afterwards it is a gray pin strip rectangle. The script area, all those things, still add comment. So this is your answer for long third part. Okay, now we are left with the last part. So let us see the fourth question. It is write the name and use of any four types of block. So you have to write down the name and use of any four type of block. So better to write down the first four. So you can turn to page number 72. Again you have to write down four types of blocks are firstly motion block till moment, the same way I have told you in first answer. Second one you write down event, then from day till run. Third one you write down look, from starting till thought bubble. And the fourth one you write down control, from the starting till control script. Only this much for your fourth answer. Okay, now see your assessment C part. In assessment C we are having this A part. Only A part you need to do, no need to do this B part. Okay, only A part we are doing. So draw a picture of a scratch interface in your exercise book and highlight the options given below. So firstly what you have to do, see over here on this page number 69 you are having this figure. You have to make a rough figure, this rough figure you have to make. No need to make this thing, no need to make these things, no need to write down these comments. Okay, no need to write down anything, just a rough interface you make. Uske baad you label these things. Fine, all the options they have given na, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So all the six options you label on that picture and you have to make that picture, don't get it print out. Fine, so with this your chapter number 7 have got completed. In case you are having any doubt you can write down in the comment section below. Okay.